Latest on the controversy over the alleged Congress toolkit. After the Congress dismissed it as being fake and filed a complaint with the Delhi police, the Bharatiya Janata Party countered the Congress, claiming it had proof that the alleged toolkit was indeed produced by the Congress party workers and leaders. We bring you this report.
Social media volunteers can call it Modi's train. This is an opportunity to destroy his image and erode his popularity.
A toolkit is back in the news once again. This time, the BJP claims a Congress pandemic toolkit is attempting to tarnish India's image. BJP has alleged that the Congress put out a toolkit for its workers with a single point agenda, that of defaming Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
टूलकिट के माध्यम से एडवाइस दिया जा रहा है कार्यकर्ताओं को कि क्या करना है, खास करके सोशल मीडिया के कार्यकर्ताओं कि सोशल मीडिया में क्या डालना है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदीज इमेज को लेकर एक कॉलम बना है और उसमें क्या लिखा है? द अप्रूवल रेटिंग्स ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी हैज बीन हाई and have not dipped despite crisis and mismanagement. This is an opportunity to destroy his image and erode his popularity.
The BJP highlighted this alleged toolkit, which mentions that the mutant strain should be referred to as the Indian strain or the Modi strain. It also makes a mention of using images of bodies and funerals with the help of foreign media.
Use the phrase Indian strain wherever talking about the new mutant. Social media volunteers can call it Modi strain. जो निर्णय WHO में भी हुआ है उसके विपरीत जाते ये कह रही है कि आप उसको इंडियन स्ट्रेन बुलाइए और तो और उसे मोदी स्ट्रेन बुलाइए.
The Congress, however, outrightly dismissed this toolkit that the BJP has now made public. Congress's Rajiv Gowda threatened legal action and filed a complaint against the BJP. The BJP, though, is defiant. They have now named this woman you see on your screens as the author of the alleged toolkit.
ऑथर कौन है? सौम्या वर्मा नामक एक महिला है जिसका नाम डोमेन एक्सपर्ट ने खोज करके निकाला है. सौम्या वर्मा जो है वो ऑफिस ऑफ प्रोफेसर MV राजीव गौड़ा, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, उनसे वो कनेक्टेड है. अर्थात जो AICC रिसर्च विंग है जिसको कि हेड प्रोफेसर गौड़ा करते हैं, उनके रिसर्च विंग के साथ वो कनेक्टेड है. आज आप खुद देख सकते हैं प्रत्यक्षम किम प्रमाणम मोविड पैंडेमिक, अर्थात पूरे विश्व जिसको कोविड के नाम से जानता है, कहीं ना कहीं एक बिल्कुल कंसर्टेड एफर्ट है कांग्रेस पार्टी का इसमें प्रधानमंत्री जी के नाम और भारत के नाम को घसीटने का.
ये मोदी जी का क्लासिकल कॉन्स्पिरेटोरियल ध्यान बटाने का एजेंडा है. कल कोरोना पे डिबेट नहीं हुई, एक फर्जी कागज जो बीजेपी ने बनाया था उस पे डिबेट हुई. अब वो चाह रहे हैं आज फिर ये हो जाए. जीवन रक्षक दवाएं कहां हैं, वेंटिलेटर और ICU बेड कहां है, पर ये कह रहे हैं हम तो फर्जी टूल किट के अंदर पूरे देश को उलझा कर रखना चाहते हैं. देश बेवकूफ नहीं है, देश समझदार है.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, इंडिया टुडे.
So Congress continues to insist that this is a fake toolkit being used as diversionary tactics by the government. Now, BJP's Amit Malviya, and I want to quickly bring in India Today's Anand Patel for more on this. Amit Malviya Anand has put out a tweet saying that the Congress is rushing to erase the digital footprint of what the BJP calls is its anti-India activities. They've named, somebody linked to the Congress saying that that individual has deleted the Twitter, LinkedIn, all those accounts, and this is deleting the digital footprint, Anand.
Well, Gaurav, so far the Congress party has maintained that this entire toolkit controversy is created by the BJP to take the attention of the masses from the real issues. The pandemic which is ravaging the country, that is the real issue which the government and the BJP as a ruling party should focus on. The Congress party has made it very clear that this toolkit is fake, and they've also already filed a police complaint with the Commissioner, Delhi Police, and also SHO of Tughlaq Road Police Station. They've also maintained that they have nothing to do with this. The research cell head, Rajiv Gowda, put out a tweet and he said that the Congress Party's research cell has nothing to do with this and no information is available with them as far as this 4-page document, which the BJP is calling as a toolkit to defame the central government and Modi regime, is completely fake. What the Congress Party is saying that at the moment there should be focus on the management of pandemic. Now, Gaurav, why is this happening? This is happening because there is no discussion between the center and the opposition parties. 2 letters have been written by the opposition leaders, joint letter over a fortnight, and no reply has come from the center. The only reply which came was when Dr. Manmohan Singh wrote a letter to the Prime Minister, which was replied to by the Union Health Minister, and then Mrs. Sonia Gandhi's letter to the Prime Minister, which was replied by the BJP President JP Nadda. In both the cases, the government tried to put blame on the opposition, accusing it to create misconceptions, accusing it to create misinformation among the public as far as the handling of the center is concerned. There is no reply from the government as to what measures it is taking to take into confidence the opposition parties. There is no parliamentary oversight. The parliamentary panels, the standing committees, which should be meeting online, all the requests from the opposition have been turned down, and there's been no opposition meeting, all-party meeting by the government so far, despite repeated requests. So this is a communication gap between the opposition and the center, because of which we are witnessing this mudslinging in the open.
Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you.